Hello, friends. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today we are going to talk about adverbs. Now, let's learn about adverbs. First question comes to our mind. What are adverbs? It's simple. Adverbs are those special words that tell us more about verbs, adjectives, and even sometimes about other adverbs as well. They help us understand how, where, and to what extent something happens, which means they make our sentences more fun and descriptive. Now, second thing, that is types of adverbs. Today I will be teaching you in this two types of adverbs. First is adverbs of manner. So let's learn what it is. What happens in adverbs of manner is it describes an action that is performed, right? But not only that, it tells how it is performed, in which way that action is performed. It gives more information about the verb which we are using in the sentence. It tells us the way in which something happens, right? For example, the first we used is quickly. It tells us how quickly this something has happened, right? For example, she ran quickly. So it will tell you how she ran, how quickly she ran, right? In which way she ran. Next comes carefully. He painted carefully. It tells how or in which manner he painted the painting, right? In this picture, you can also see that it shows that the girl walks slowly. It shows that in which way the girl is walking. Next is adverb of time. So it describes in which action or in which way the or at what time the verb is taking the action is taken place, right? It describes when something happens, right? It provides more information about the time of the verb in a sentence. So, for example, the word now. It can be I am eating now, then comes later. We will go to the park later. It tells the both of the sentences tells that at what time the action takes place, right? Now comes you can see in the picture it says today, right? Today I will read book. It means at what time you will read book. It means today, right? So as you can see, adverb is the word adverb of time is the one which tells you at what time the action is taking place, right? So in this way we use adverbs. Now that's all for today. We will continue in the next video about the rest of the adverbs. So thank you for joining in the video.